Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add a new snippet to your product pages or your individual products or collections on your Shopify store that says frequently bought together. So in this video, we'll be walking through the no-code process of doing so, but I will still be walking through what you need to do if you want to do it manually or natively via Shopify's site builder or their coder using liquid language, or the method I prefer, which is using a third-party app, which we'll get to near the end of the video. So be sure to watch till the end so you don't miss out on any steps. So with all of that said, let's begin. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store as an administrator. So as you can see, I have a Dunning store set up for this. So here's what the dashboard looks like. And the idea here is we first want to get access to the site builder for our store. So by default, you would know that the theme set for your store is done. So that comes with a preset for the line of codes that you need to run the store. So everything is pretty much going to be in the same place. So to get there, you'd want to click on Online Store under the Sales Channel tab. And you'll see that there's a drop down, and you'll be met with 5 different options being themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. Now from here, this would actually list all of your registered stores under your Shopify account. So if you're managing like 3 stores, let's say, then that'd all be under one account. So you want to make your selection. So in this case, I want to configure this one, done. So what I need to do is click on 3 dots, like so, and click on Edit Code. Now it'll take you to this page right here. And so you guys don't get too confused, let's actually get to the brass tacks of what we need to do. We're going to close out this one, go to close down templates, close down layouts. Actually, I may need this later. And we're going to look for snippets, right? So it's this one right here. Now, I think by default, there's actually a setting that says frequently. Okay, so there isn't. Never mind. So we're going to add one from scratch. And the way to do it is by clicking on Add New Snippet. And then you want to enter a file name for it. So it can be anything really. So we can do frequently bought together .liquid. Hit done, and it's going to create a new snippet or file for us. And here is where we'll actually insert the code for it. Now the code for it, there are actually quite a lot of different variations online that you guys can add. Some others are more versatile than what you would normally use, but all you have to do is paste that line of code here, hit save, and you're done. And show you guys what I mean. Looks a little something like this for those of you guys who are familiar with coding. So just do a quick Google search and look for one that says frequently bought together liquid code or source code and paste it here. Paste it right here, hit save, and you're done. Now, the other way that I'm going to show you is a much easier way, which is using this application called Frequently Bought Together built for Shopify. And to get here, let me actually start from the beginning. So I'm going to close out of this one. Actually, let me delete this one. This may mess up my store. Here we are. Exits. So we're going to go to home. And then from here, the idea is we would want to get access to the Shopify App Store. So there are a couple ways to do that. You could either click in the search bar and type the app that you want to download, or you click on apps and select app and sales channel, and this will pull up all of the compatible apps that are integrated or installed in your store. So from here, click on Shopify App Store, and it'll open up a new tab showing you all of the compatible apps and plugins for your store. So from here, if you don't see frequently bought together right away, you can simply click on the search bar and type it down. So frequently bought together. Hit enter, and it's this choice right here. So it's the one that says built for Shopify. So this one seamlessly integrates with Shopify, as they actually made this app to work with your store. So this way, there's no coding involved, and you simply have to install it, let it work its magic, and you guys are done. Now this comes with a paid plan as well as a free plan, and it goes without saying that the free one, or I should say the paid one, comes with more features and more bells and whistles, but the free one should provide you with the fundamentals that you will need. So we're going to click on install, like so. Let it work its magic, basically. Click install, authorize it. And now you guys will see the dashboard for this. And the cool thing is you can set this, you can have the setting for each individual product or a collection or catalog within your store. Okay, so this one's actually asking for pay. I believe I got the free one though, but it's pretty much the same. So it's this one right here. Open app. May actually break up the billing statement again. So here we are. Okay, so it's actually asking for payment, but you guys pretty much get the gist. When you install this, it's going to add a frequently bought section that you get to configure with other products for each product on your Shopify store. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.